I was taking a video of this pit of ants that looks like a tick bite. Then this deer fly flew over and was like, hey, you like deer moss? You want to take videos of all the deer moss? And I was like, yeah, because it looks like soap on the ground. Well, then, look at this. Look at this madman. Look at him. Are you kidding me? He's huge. And he's so frantic. Oh, he's so scary. It's like making me get creepy crawly feelings. I mean, I love all bugs and creatures, but that thing. Ah, that thing. Oh my gosh.